The Alvear Tower is a residential and hotel skyscraper on Azucena Villaflor Avenue, east of Dock 2 in the upscale Puerto Madero section of Buenos Aires. The skyscraper is the tallest building in Argentina. A mixed-use development, the 54-story, 70,000 square meters, 753,000 square feet, building includes 175 condominiums totaling 34,000 square meters, 366,000 square feet, as well as a five-star hotel. The building's residential floor plans are notable for their variety, ranging from 100 meters, 330 feet, to 500 meters, 1,600 feet, as well as their 3.3 meters, 11 feet, ceilings. Construction development took place on a 7,000 square meters, 75,300 square feet, lot sold by Grupo Chateau, the local builders of the neighboring Chateau Puerto Madero residence, for $35 million to Madrid-based developer Redefining for the construction of the Hotel Unico Buenos Aires. Originally scheduled to open at the end of 2010, the Hotel Unico project was cancelled. Redefining sold the lot to Anglo-Argentine developer David Sutton, the proprietor of the Alvear Palace Hotel. On the 5th of March 2010, the construction of the Alvear Tower started in March 2012 and was completed in 2017. The skyscraper is budgeted at $130 million. That is all. Subscribe and post comments for future videos.